Sometimes in worksheet, we want to track the validity of any event as expired or unexpired or valid. For this, we need to use date function in Excel and link them with the current date and date of execution of events. Now we using here today function, that how can we get the exact number of days from the current date. Like if we using here in current date, uh, the function is today. Today, then we get today's date 11/4/2023. Now here the criteria is validity criteria is for is 3 days. Like here I have given this number of days means current date minus date of event. Again status is like that. If f6 means number of days is greater than 3 days, then expired, otherwise it's valid. Now if I'm giving here date of event as a 10 of 4 2023, then number of days is 1, that means it is valid. Again if we give here uh, 9 4 2023 and today's function is equal to today, then we get 2 days. The number of days is 2, that is greater than not greater than 3, so it's a valid. But if we have give 8 4 2023 and using the same function here, control D, then it's 3 days, that means it's still valid. Now we're using 6 4 2023 and using this formula for current date, control D, then 5 days. That means it is a greater than 3 days, so it says expired. Now if we give the date of event is 1 4 2023 and current date is 11, for then it's also expired because the number of days is 10, which is greater than 3 days.